Hi everyone, it's Loretta. Pay no attention to the massive mess in front of you. I am filming this video very late at night. It's almost 1 in the morning on the 11th of September. And I hope that everyone is having a great day, I guess. But I have joined a swap at minialbumscraps.com. And it is a flip tag swap. And my tags got so big, as you can see, that I've had to make 2 of them. I should say my rings. This one, there's no way, none, that this would have ever flipped or fit into a ring. So, I'm just going to show you this one. This is like the handmade. These are some of the requirements. So, I made some bows and some Christmas tags. This is the one with the die cuts in it. Let's see if we can get that straight. This is the die cut one. And then on the back of that is some handmade charms or zipper pulls. I showed you how to make those in a previous video. Here's a small stamp set. This is the extra mushroom set that I had bought. 2 packs of sequins. They are both different. One on the front of this tag and one on the back. 2 sets of some type of sticky back bling, I guess. So this is just some gumdrops. You had to include a crochet doily, which I did. 5 different laces or trims, and I have 5. One's there and the other 4 here. This is all vintage lace. I actually made this for my craft fair, but I thought that it'd be a fun little addition to the handmade part, and it meets a requirement of 3 layers. And then the last but not least homemade item is this adorable small paperweight. Now for the tags. The first tag is this bird on a bird cage. This is a bird with vine, and I just cut him down and gave him a wing. Put him on a field of flowers. This is actually cut out of wood veneer. The next one is a hot air balloon. It says, "I am grateful for this day." Decorated that one with some flowers. The next is a shaker, which is one of the requirements for a tag. And this is cut from an AccuCut gram mark die. It's a layering tag die, and I just used some acetate and some die cuts and sandwiched a shaker material in between there. This one is a tag that just says Dream. This is a die cut from Sizzix. And this die cut is from Lifestyle Crafts, and I cut it out of shrink plastic, colored it, and put it on my tag. The next is actually a mixed media piece. Today is full of possible, and it should say the possible, but this is actually kind of pieced together from something else, and so it works. But there's the back of that one. It says "Count Your Blessings." And then this tag, which is the last one, it's on here backwards, I'm not going to redo it, is a mixed media tag. This is an acrylic pour that I did. You can kind of see the glitter and the cells that popped up in there. I just happened to notice that there's a hair up underneath this, so I'm going to probably just put a flower or something there to hide it. And and then it's got a doily and a ribbon on there. So this is my swap for Mini Album Scraps Open Theme Flip Clip Tag Swap. I hope I said that right. Thank you everyone for joining me tonight. I look forward to seeing you again in my next video. If you haven't and you'd like to be, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share my videos on your social media. And stamp happy, be a blessing. Thanks again. Bye for now.